Hi guys, I am Sukhmani. Growing up, I had the most unruly, unmanageable, frizzy hair that was just always out of control. It used to look like a bush most of the times. That I started using Briogeo and my healthy hair journey actually began over there. Now, my favorite product would have to be the Briogeo Scalp Revival. It's a super gentle exfoliating scrub that cleanses your scalp of any dead skin cells and impurities and just makes it feel really fresh. Second product would have to be the Don't Despair Repair hair mask. Oh my god, you guys, the hype is so real. This is the second most repurchased product from me. It just adds so much nourishment and moisture and just makes your hair really shiny. And my hair, no joke, has been super manageable ever since I started using Briogeo. I think it's been about 4 years since I've been using the brand and I'm truly in love with it. I just love how fuss free and really simple the hair care is, and I can't wait to share more.